Hi friends, Tandy here. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new, welcome and show your girl some love by subscribing to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your room. So to make this process easy and fast, I recommend these 3 simple steps. The first step is to declutter or organize your space. The second step is do your dusting. And the last step, which is the third, is to do your sweeping or vacuuming and mopping the floors. I'm also gonna show you how I make my space smell so good, so do stick till the end. Deal. One thing I do before I start cleaning is to make sure I have all the cleaning supplies and tools on hand. So for this video, I'll be using a microfiber towel, a sheet of paper towel, my DIY window cleaner. Be on the lookout for the video to be posted soon. And for the tools, I'm using a duster, a dust mop, and a spray mop to clean the floors. And if you have any laundry, you can go ahead and fold the laundry or put it away. Before I start dusting the furniture, I spray the bed first. At this point, you can change your linens if need be. I change mine once a week. Let me know in the comments below how often you change yours as well. Arrange your pillows nicely, just like so, or put on that nice throw or anything that you use to decorate your bed. It makes a huge difference. So when you're doing your dusting, I recommend you start from the left, going around the room till you end right where you started. That way you're not going to miss any areas. And also remember to dust the blinds, the window sills, and ledges as well, because those areas tend to be missed and they can collect a lot of dust. And make sure you start from top to bottom. And if you have seen my videos, you know the drill. When you're cleaning, the rule of thumb is top to bottom. Don't forget to wipe the baseboards or to dust them, because if they are dirty, guess what? Your room will look like it has not been cleaned. So the baseboards are very important. Get it. As I promised you guys, I'm gonna show you how I make my space smell so good. So I'm using this diffuser, and I'll put the link below on where you can get it. So I put some water and 3 drops of peppermint, 3 drops of lemon, and 3 drops of orange essential oils. And this thing works so good. I love it. Check out the transformation. It's amazing. I like how everything turned out, and the bed is nicely done. The floors are shining. My job is done here. That's it, friends. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you've been motivated to go clean your room as well. Remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload another video. And thank you so much for everyone who have subscribed so far. I really appreciate your love and your support. And thank you so much for watching again. See you next time. Bye.